My name is Justin Scott Padfield. I'm the owner of Scott's Hotrods and Customs Incorporated out of Knoxville, Tennessee. I grew up in Southern California, born and raised, but my life growing up was going to my dad's bike shop at a very young age because he was very overprotective. And he taught me how to heliarc weld, which is TIG welding on sheet metal at 5 years old. Taught me how to shape gas tanks on an English wheel at 7 years old for on custom motorcycles. But I also started playing baseball at 4 years old. I got drafted in the first round in 1992, 20th pick overall in the nation by the Cubs, but I got hurt. I was actually on a 4-foot ladder working at a part-time glass shop, and I fell off the ladder, hit my head in the concrete floor, and had what they call grand mal seizures. My dad basically took me in, into his bike shop and basically said in so many words, keep your mouth shut. I'll teach you everything I know about the business. I said, we got one problem. I don't want to work in the bike shop. I don't want to do that. I do my own thing. He said, what do you want to do? I'll build hot rods. I looked around the industry to see, I made a list of which companies are in business that are building suspension parts right now. What years are they building for? And most of these companies, as I found, not naming no names, copied everybody. They made the same thing so-and-so made. Same year, same model, same make. And if you took the name off the package, you couldn't tell who made the front end. So at that time, I said, okay, the only way I can come into business and make a mark is I'm gonna say, I will build this to your specs, vehicle specs. So I started building files over the years, and to this day, I still have those specs that we saved for all these years. And so that's where I can build a front end for this car. My business is a lot of word of mouth, okay? A lot of word of mouth. And that's where we started developing the suspension parts, motor mounts, 4-bar kits, 4-link kits, custom fuel tanks, complete chassis. Very few companies were building vehicle-specific chassis. They're building what they call a lot of universal fit chassis. So I started building chassis vehicle-specific. And that's where it's made our company to what it is today. As a company, our resume, we have over 61 magazine cover cars. We've won 2 America's Most Beautiful Roadster Awards in 2008, 2010. But we have a very hardcore, solid group of clientele that allows us to use our imagination, build vehicles from our mindset. For sheet metal wise, we have a Yoder hammer, we have a Pullmax, we have a craft former, we have an English wheel. We can do whatever you think out of sheet metal. We don't build fiberglass cars. I do not do restorations. Now, what I mean by that is you call me and say, can you restore my Camaro to original? Not at all. We'll cut up and make it look cool. But that is where we develop a lot of our parts. Interior door handles, exterior door handles, mirrors, gas pedals, brake pedals, our billet line clamps for our AC hoses, our brake line clamps, complete chassis. We tailored 1925 to 1987, all year make and models. Thousands of models, okay? You can buy a 1935, 1941 Ford truck chassis, coupe chassis, sedan chassis, direct bolt-on body, bolts-on, no questions asked. 67 through 69 Camaro, Gen 1 Camaro chassis, Chevelle chassis, C10 chassis, Ford truck chassis, Dodge chassis, all bolt-on configurations. Summit Racing, has been a very big deal for our company, and it's actually been working out very, very smooth. Our customer base is worldwide, but Summit Racing's customer base is worldwide, but only 1,000 times greater, okay? And there are people out there that we have that will only buy from Summit Racing, 100%, because they love the customer service, the shipping availabilities, how quick it is. If there's any issues, Summit takes care of it 100%. They have a great return policy. Our prices are retail across the board, at shows or at the shop. You can call Summit, but the benefit from Summit is you'll get it faster. Order from Summit, it usually ships out in 3 to 8 days, from us or from Summit's warehouses. There's huge shipping discounts. It's perfect. The future for us is that we are manufacturing more products every day of the week, new products every single month. We are growing our facility, our manufacturing process, larger than it's been in California because we have more room to do it in, number one. And again, for us is to offer the best accessories, the best suspension parts, the best chassis components that you can buy out there in the market. And as I say in an openly polite manner, I know we're not the cheapest, but I know we're not the most expensive. But we have the highest built, highest quality product out there that is the most complete when it comes down to what you can buy from a retail side of it.